Welcome back, dear viewer, to our virtual world living. We're here to guide you through the digital wonders that make our everyday lives more vibrant and convenient. From the latest to innovative lifestyle solutions, we explore them all. If you're here, that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. Without further ado, let's dive into today's adventure. Introducing the Songmix 43 inches folding storage ottoman, a perfect blend of style and practicality. This isn't just a simple piece of furniture, it's a transformative storage solution. Are you in need of more room? Our ottoman conveniently folds flat when it's needed, producing extra space and preserving cleanliness. Parades a comfortable padded seat, resilient linen fabric, and sturdy MDF build. Store your essentials within arm's reach in its expansive interior. The lid functions wonderfully as a cozy footrest or additional seating. This ottoman is perfect for all rooms, contributing a dash of elegance wherever it's positioned. Place your order and declutter with style. Thanks for joining me in this virtual journey. If you enjoyed the adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next